Well, you know it's going to be a serious talk when I have the blue chair out. How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. And before you watch this video, watch the entire video, please, before you make a comment. Because I know some of you all are going to take stuff way out of context or not going to listen to all of it. You're not going to understand what I mean in this video. But this vlog video, I want to prove a point that I've been trying to prove for a while. So, and this vlog will actually prove my point pretty well. And then at the end, I'll explain why. But please watch the video with an open mind and then watch me explain what happened. So guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but I got pulled over. I'm in Pigeon Forge right now. So let's see what the whole interaction is going to be about. I mean, I was honest with this that week.
Well, which is an admission of guilt, so you will get a ticket.
I did it with the Georgia cop.
I don't know if they're going to be as lenient. Pigeon Forge is pretty tough about window tint.
I don't know why, it's not that big of a deal.
Yeah, dude, he had his left indicator on, you got over, and yeah, he just flipped his lights on.
I'm gonna get stuff out of this. Might as well. Yeah, we're still waiting, guys. Sorry. I knew when he slowed down.
Yeah, dude, he kept tapping his brakes.
I know. I was like, come on, just go, damn it. We're still waiting, guys. Yep, I see the piece of paper.
Yep, you're getting a ticket.
You got to be. Here he comes.
Right, there's that stuff.
Thank you.
I'll put that back down.
Yeah, no problem, sir.
Alright, tell you what I got for you.
Okay.
You have two ways you can try and fix this.
Okay.
Roach citation for the window tint, the 5% on the driver and passenger side, and the front window being tinted as well. You know these can't be tinted at all past the JS1 line?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you know.
Yeah.
So, you're going to have two options here. You can either pay the fine, which I believe is $93.75 for window tint.
Okay.
Which very well could have cost more than your window tint costs.
It's about $450.
Wow.
It's the advanced nanocarbon tint, so at night you can see out of it like it's broad, you know, clear glass, but it's just the outside going in, basically.
Well, your second option is to show up to court on October 1st, 2019 on Tuesday at 2 p.m. if you have any reason to contest this citation.
Okay. Can I pay it online?
What you can do, you'll have options on the back. If you've got any questions that refer to paying this citation, call that phone number on the back and she'll point you in the right direction.
Okay, I'm following you.
Or you can simply remove all this window tint and prove to us that you got it taken care of, and they'll help you out on the ticket.
I can't remove it right now at all. So.
That's $400 worth of window tint. That's up to you, man. But what's a good phone number for you? I'll tell you up front, you're going to start seeing people getting stopped for window tint more frequently.
Okay.
Because well, one, it's a safety issue for you guys because you can't see as well out of them. Maybe not with the front. I don't know what this nano stuff is you're talking about, but it's an officer safety thing as well, so it's
I understand that.
More like a sore thumb.
I understand that, yeah.
I need a signature at the bottom here. It's not an admission of guilt. Simply state you'll either pay the fine or show up to the court date.
Right here?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
It is obvious.
It's good, awesome in the summer, I won't lie.
Where are you guys headed to?
We're heading to the Jeep Invasion. I do YouTube and stuff, so I was going to go there and film for Linux and Knoxville and stuff like that.
Okay, does this thing blow black smoke?
No, it's a gasser.
I was about to say they'll pull you over for a heartbeat up there.
No. This is a gas truck. Doesn't do anything like that. I just drive it. It's my show truck. I do YouTube.
Okay.
And I mean, if I'm going to be honest with you, the reason why I have it, and I knew getting it's illegal. I knew that when I got it. It's just for the sheer privacy of it, because I've had people stalk me. I've had people have threats on me and stuff. Yeah. And I just wanted the privacy. But I understand it's illegal, 100%. I'm not trying to say it's not.
Yeah, it's state law, so
yeah,
you got to do what state law says. Fair heads up, they very well could pull you over for the window tint as well. I mean, so just mind your P's and Q's.
Yeah.
Everything wild up there.
I understand.
Drive safe.
Yeah, I was saying we had to.
I get to talking.
I understand that. You guys be safe out there, okay?
Thank you guys. Have a good one.
No problem. You saw with that intro, it finally caught up to me. Yes, put it in the comments. I told you so. $93 window tint ticket from the police force. Again, not the police's fault because they're just doing their job enforcing the laws. But I am gonna say this: the lawmakers need to get their crap together and learn that there's not just normal window tint anymore. This is, you know, the nanocarbon tint, which you can see out of no problem. So, you know, at this point, I don't know. But anyways, we're still gonna make our way to Smoky Mountain Jeep Fest. We're heading that way. Colin's about to starve himself. So, we're about to go get something to eat too, so.
Is that another cop?
Where?
Up ahead. I think it is Ruther.
Or just bullshit. No. Yay! Where's Colin?
Right here by the bridge, yep.
Well, I'm screwed.
Please don't pull out. No, you're good.
He doesn't pull out. What the? Well, anyways, he gave me the option of either I pay the $93 online, which again, I'm gonna pay the $93, not that big of a deal, or I rip it off right now. And I'm like, I'm not gonna rip it off after spending a crap ton of money. So, we'll see where it goes from here. All right, guys, we just got done with Chick-fil-A, so we gotta be legal now so we don't get pulled over again. Hang on. Hold up. That doesn't have a stock motor in it. That's got something bigger in it. It's got a 4.3 liter Chevy V6. Nice. That's freaking sweet. Yeah. It's old school. Jeep J10. Jeep Oktoberfest, first place in mid-size. Wow. Oh, it's got the line next like I do.
Yeah.
Dude, look at the overland. That is so freaking cool. Oh, I love this. I love that. It's got a Vortec in it. 5.3 liter Vortec. Tow rig? What do you think? I think that would tow a couple trucks.
More than a couple.
Yeah. Got done walking around the event, saw some really cool Jeeps. Copyright. I mean, they're cool. I get the whole Jeep thing, it's like the truck club. I understand it completely. And there's some very, very unique ones, but you know, it could be the same. It could be same for trucks. You know, every truck looks alike, lifted with wheels and tires on, and I get it. But no, it was cool. It's awesome talking to Lennox and Knoxville. Huge shout out to those guys. Stuff coming with them very soon, so make sure you keep up to date on my Instagram and YouTube, because I got some stuff working on with them. So right now I'm not sure what we're gonna do next, but we'll go from there. I want to give a huge shout out to the guy we just met at the Pilot gas station in Sevierville. He's from what, Cartersville, Georgia, you said? Didn't get your name, buddy, so I'm sorry, but you know who you know who I'm talking about if you see the video. Huge shout out to you, man. It's awesome meeting fans like you out in public and talk about the truck and stuff, and it's just freaking awesome. So We just got back from Gatlinburg. We kind of cruised up and around through there. Nothing really special. Copyright. Nothing special or anything. So we're gonna. I don't know where we're gonna go from here. So we'll see. Hey guys, we really got a cop hanging out behind us. I'm trying to make it to the Knox County border before he gets. Why? Why? It's just window tint. It doesn't matter. And I've got my decals flashing on this damn truck. Oh, Yukon's holding them. It's coming up hot and heavy, boys. I don't know what's going on just yet. Hey, he's coming up. Keep driving. Just kind of keep coasting.
Yeah, just keep it where it's at. Keep it where it's at.
He's coming up.
Yep.
Oh,
Don't stare at him.
Holy shit. Oh, the rock or something. We passed him, or he's passed us. I think we're in the clear now, guys. I say that, you'll swim up. Yep, there we go. So as you saw from the video, yes, I did get a window tint ticket up in Sevierville, in Pigeon Forge area, that area. I knew it was a matter of time before I got one. That being said, though, I thought I was going to get one down in Daytona or on my way to Daytona or traveling. Not around here because, you know, people really don't care, honestly. I pass cops all the time. I pass state troopers all the time. No one really cares. Now, I am 100% accepting the fact that this is illegal. I'm not saying that at all. This is 100% illegal. It's in the state and the Tennessee state laws, and I accept that. Was a officer in the wrong for pulling me over? No, he had every right to pull me over. The way he pulled me over, which I wish I got on film, was a little bit questionable. But then again, like I said, that's 100% legit reason why he pulled me over. Here's where I have an issue, is the reasoning behind it. His first reasoning was, you know, for them, which I understand that completely. The whole safety aspect with them, with pulling me over, you can't see in the truck, you know, blah, blah, blah. You know, there's a bunch of ambushes on cops all the time. And I understand that completely. Like, don't get me wrong. I did all my safety protocols. I rolled down my windows, had my hands on the steering wheel. Colin had his hands up too. I told him about my special license I have. If you know what I mean, then you understand. Well, you know what that is. You understand what I mean by that. And all this other stuff. So, that's it. Now, the second reasoning he gave was the whole, I can't see out of it. That is false. That's what... It's not the cop that irritates me. It's these lawmakers that make these laws that irritate me because they have no idea what they're talking about. This is not normal window tint. This is nanocarbon, I believe what they call it, or carbon XL, or whatever it's called. This is an advanced window tint where you can see out, but they can't see in. Even at night, everybody that rides with me at night says this is insane, the clarity on this window tint at night, and that's why I got it, so I could run the 5% all the way around, 30,000 windshield and 5% brow, so I will not have to worry about seeing. That's what irritated me the most was that comment, because these lawmakers have no idea what they're talking about, and they're pushing these laws that are just, there's no point in them, honestly. I mean, you run my background when he pulled me over. I have nothing against me. I have a clean record, except for now I have a window tint ticket. Whoop-de-freaking-do, you know. The 2 accidents I did have in this truck were not my fault. That was proven. And, you know, everything like that. So, the window tint shouldn't be that big of an issue. And then he asked me why I haven't. I told him upfront honesty is because, you know, I want the privacy. I don't want people knowing who's in my truck or what is in my truck. You know, I mean, guys, like, believe me or not, I really don't care. I've had death threats over this. Just over an Instagram page and a YouTube page. Death threats over that. So, you know, it's the added security of it that I want, to where you know, it's just that added security. And in summertime, guys, I'm telling you, the heat prevention in this truck is unfreaking real. You can drop the temperature of this truck on a 95-degree day to like in the mid 60s in a matter of probably 5 or 10 minutes, if that. I mean, it is insane the amount of heat difference, especially in the South. You know, I live in Tennessee. I'm not, you know, directly, you know, like Florida or Georgia coast or anything like that, but and we still have very hot, humid summers, and you know, it's freaking awesome for that kind of stuff. So that's my biggest ordeal, guys. You know, I'm not bashing the cop. The cop was doing his job. You know, that's what he's there for, and I understand that. So, not bashing the 5-0, the thin blue line, anything like that. I have full respect for them. These lawmakers, though, that make these stupid laws, they need to have a reality check, because it's ridiculous. You know, I could be out doing a whole lot worse stuff than modifying a vehicle. I mean, in all honesty, that's the truth. You know. I mean, I understand they're blowing the coal on a diesel truck because it's annoying to people, it's nasty, it smells bad to people, and I understand that. But some of these laws, like these lift laws, these window tint laws, these wheels stick out too far laws, you know, my truck never goes off-road, so there's no way it's slinging up rocks. So yeah, that's basically my point, guys, is, again, not bashing the cop. He doing his job. But it's just the reasoning behind these laws and the reason why they have to pull you over for a law that shouldn't be there. I mean, if you got a criminal record, like felony charges, you're a wanted murderer, blah, 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 then yeah, I understand why they don't want you having 5% window tint. I get that. But I have a clean record. There's no reason for me to be, like, having to worry about this kind of stuff. And yeah, I paid it. I paid a $93 fine, which wasn't bad at all. And they didn't give me on the back. It's just the front two and the windshield. The back could be spray painted black for all they care. But the front two and the windshield are the problem. But I paid it. But I want to let you all know my opinion on it. Again, not bashing the cop. I hope you all get that across your head. Because last time I made a video like this, y'all are saying I bash police, I don't support police. You have no idea what they go through. Guys, I have friends and buddies of mine in the office, in being police officers and stuff like that, and they even told me being pulled over for this is absolutely ridiculous. Like, there's no point in me being pulled over for this. So I know where I'm coming from with this. If I have buddies that are officers and stuff like that, they just say, yeah, that's ridiculous. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, though. I hope you all enjoyed me getting pulled over and me getting my first window tint ticket. So hopefully there's no more to come. I know I'm going to be rolling my windows down for Rod Run. So, that being said, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Please join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. So, I hope you all are having a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams.